guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply this makeup look. It's perfect for business meetings or a day in the office when you don't want too much makeup but just a nice dewy glow, appropriate for daytime. So if you're interested in finding out how I got this look, then just keep watching. So today I'm going to use a CC cream by IT Cosmetics. It's a color correcting full coverage cream. I really like it. It also has SPF 50, so that's good if you're like me and forget to apply sunscreen a lot. It already has it in it. I get it in medium, and I'm gonna apply it with a damp beauty sponge. So the first step is actually to spray the beauty sponge with some MAC Fix Plus. Applying the MAC Fix Plus directly on the beauty sponge and then applying your CC cream or foundation, I feel like it makes it last longer throughout the day, which is really good if you're heading to a bunch of meetings or if you're in the office all day. Next, I'm going to apply my concealer. Today I'm going to use the Becca concealer, which is probably my favorite concealer. I'm using it in medium. Generally, I go between the light and the medium. I wish I had the light on me, but I finished it, so today I'm going to use medium. I'm also going to use my beauty sponge again and spray some more Fix Plus on it. Contour today, I'm going to use the Tom Ford Shape and Illuminate in Intensity 1. As you can see, I use it a lot. I'm going to use the dark color and I'm going to apply it with a brush. You can use any brush. I'm using this old Giorgio Armani brush. So I'm actually just going to apply it on with this, but I'm going to blend it with a different brush. I'm then going to blend it with my MAC brush. It's the MAC 130 SE. For my bronzer today, I'm going to use a matte bronzer in Give Me Sun. It's quite dark, so you don't need a lot, and I'm going to apply it with a Sephora airbrush. It's the Pro Airbrush 55. For my blush today, I'm going to use a Sephora blush. It's in Passionate number 23, and I'm going to apply it with a MAC blush brush. For my highlighter today, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I've been doing this for the past 2 weeks every single day, and I absolutely love it. So instead of using a normal like a fan brush to apply my highlighter, I'm actually going to use my beauty sponge. I'm going to take my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and spray the sponge like you did with the Fix Plus, but this time with the Tatcha. Then I'm going to use the Laura Mercier highlighter in Spellbound. For my brows today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Definer in Dark Brown. For my mascara today, I'm going to use Smashbox in Full Exposure. It's one of my favorites for during the day because it's not too intense and it's not too clumpy, but it still gives your lashes a really nice color and definitely adds volume to them. For my lips, I'm going to apply one of my new favorite combinations. I'm going to start with Tom Ford Pussycat and then end with Kim Kardashian's liquid lipstick line in Kimberly.